Why organize your Google Drive?
A well-organized Google Drive saves you time, reduces stress, and boosts productivity. With digital clutter, important documents can be lost or overlooked. Organizing your files ensures quick access, easier sharing, and smoother collaboration. Whether for personal use, school, or work, a structured Google Drive helps you stay in control and get more done.
Create a clear folder structure.
Start by setting up a logical folder hierarchy. Group files by categories like work, school, or personal. Within each main folder, use subfolders for projects, clients, subjects, or years. This tree-like structure makes files easy to locate and supports future growth as your collection increases.
Use consistent naming conventions.
Consistent file and folder names make searching easier and prevent confusion. Include dates, project names, or versions in names such as 2024 tax documents or Project X Research V2. Avoid vague labels like untitled or new folder. Clear, descriptive naming reduces the time spent hunting for the right file.
Take advantage of Google Drive features.
Google Drive offers powerful tools for organizing and finding files. Use the star feature to mark important documents for quick access. Add color to folders for visual sorting. Take advantage of the advanced search and filters, and use shared drives for team projects, ensuring everyone has the right access.
Maintain and declutter regularly.
This is a reminder to review and tidy up your Google Drive every month or quarter. Archive or delete outdated files, merge duplicate folders, and your needs change. Regular maintenance keeps your drive efficient and your files easy to manage.
Quick tips for everyday efficiency.
Move new files into the right folders immediately, rather than letting them pile up. Use Google Drive's mobile app for organizing on the go, and take advantage of keyboard shortcuts for faster file management. These small daily habits make a huge difference over time in keeping your digital workspace streamlined.